Hola amigos y amigas, I'm Leila, also known as Ms. Bohemia, and today I'm using a brand that I had never heard of before. So we're veering away from my usual Soultanicals hair content and jumping in to try out a brand called Timeless Organics. I hadn't heard about the brand before, and I received 2 products from the brand in one of my latest Kinder Beauty boxes, and you can view everything and anything I have filmed about Kinder Beauty in the playlist here. And the timing for it was amazing and perfect because I actually am embarking on a shampoo hair journey. I'm basically looking for a good shampoo. I have not been very happy with the shampoos I'm using. They make my hair feel really dry and really tangled. I have very high porosity hair. I'm fine with sulfate shampoos. I'm trying to be open-minded about using shampoos that are not sulfate based and trusting that they're going to cleanse my hair and my scalp, although I can always mix in sulfate shampoos in my regimen, so I'm not too worried about that. And so the 2 products that I'm jumping in with by Timeless Organics are the repairing shampoo and the repairing conditioner. Sample sizes. So this has laurel betaine. I'm guessing that's the cleansing agent. I'm very curious to see. Basically, you apply it in the hair, massage it into the scalp and hair, and create a nice rich lather and rinse. Before I begin, let me really and thoroughly wet my hair. I'm not very drippy wet, but I am quite drippy wet. I'm obviously not shower wet, but let's see. Girl, I'm talking too much. Oh, I'm dripping everywhere. What the hell? Why isn't it coming out? Come on. There we go. Oh, it's pretty thick and gel-like. Doesn't have any distinct scent. Oh, it looks gel-like. Feels it, but also very shampooy and wet. Is it lathering? I think because of my gray hair, it doesn't really show up that much, but I can definitely feel a nice lather. Yes. Oh my god, I really like the feeling. I'm applying a little more, but I really think that a little goes a long way and that was probably enough. I always over apply my shampoos. I love shampooing my hair. And when I'm in the shower, I honestly don't just use my fingers. I use my hair scalp massager. Which one's this one? Vanity Planet massager. And because I really need a good shampoo and I really need to cleanse my scalp, I actually do recommend a nice scalp massager for when you shampoo. I love the Vanity Planet. I have another one by Tangle Teezer, and when I'm in the shower I like to use that one first, but I always need to follow up with this one. I love how it feels. So because I want to test how the shampoo cleanses the scalp and also how my hair feels after I wash it out, this part is crucial for me. And the verdict is no. It feels like my other shampoos, although hold on, see, like my healthy layers that don't have any blonde feel fine, but then up here where I have the blonde, it feels so tangled. I wonder how it's like at the root. It feels okay. So maybe it's just a matter of my blonde hair being a mess. These layers feel very hydrated, cleansed. I can run my fingers through them. So I should review it based on that. And based on that, it feels good. It's just my blonde end. See, like here, and then here it starts to feel really scraggly. And this is where my hair has my old growth, the blonde, super highly processed, brittle, broken, chemically treated hair. But my natural hair that hasn't had anything done to it feels happy. So I'm going to continue with the conditioner. I forgot to mention the shampoo had good slip. Ooh, the conditioner is just like oozing out. Something tells me I'll be using more than the shampoo, which is normally the case anyway with conditioner for me. Oh, this smells nice. Lemony, minty, citrusy, not minty, citrusy. Why would I even say minty? Definitely citrusy. I like citrusy smells so much. It's a thin, runnier conditioner than what I'm used to. It's okay. Doesn't wow me. Not sure it meets my hair's needs. Called a repairing conditioner. Not sure it feels like a repairing conditioner, but I will be deep conditioning anyway later, so my hair is gonna be good. I'll be focusing mainly on the effects on my natural hair. I mean, if you're blonde, the reaction of my blonde bits might be helpful. It had good enough slip. It went in well. Detangled my hair nicely. I'm gonna wash it out, and the verdict is it's a no for me. My hair is very high porosity. I do have a lot of color treated hair still attached to my head, so I need something that kind of works with everything, and for it to work with everything, it literally needs to cater to the blonde hair, and then the rest will be fine. And this brand doesn't do that for me, but I do think it would work well on someone like my son who has most likely medium porosity hair, not chemically treated in any way, shape, or form. So he would do well with a shampoo and conditioner because my natural layers are okay. Nothing wow, not even deeply hydrated, etc. But it's decent. You just want to quickly wash your hair, condition, and go. This is good for that. Not the best for my hair's needs. And that's it. Very simple, very to the point. I don't know, like I don't really know this brand. Do you know this brand? How big are they? Where are they? No clue. But I'm glad I got to try it, but this is gonna be passed on to my son. The poor thing keeps getting all the stuff that I don't want. That works well on his hair, just not on mine. Have you tried this brand? Do you know more? Do you use their products? Let me know. I, for one, am sticking to Soultanicals and TGI Natural. I think I covered it all. I think I covered all that I could. I don't know. You tell me. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and stay tuned for more. Follow me on my hair journey, my skate journey, and that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in. Ciao for now.